Hey there! Welcome to the ecFence Systems Installation Guide, where we make fencing actually easy. First things first, let's meet the dream team behind your fence glow-up. The ecStarter, ecPanels, posts, post caps, screws, ecSeam cover, ecEnd cover, and ecCorner cover. Each piece plays its part to keep your fence strong, level, and looking like it belongs in a design magazine. Before we start, grab your toolbox. It's showtime. You'll need a measuring tape, level, drill, post hole digger, a circular saw with a steel cutting blade, and concrete mix, 3000 PSI or higher. We don't do flimsy here. This fence will outlast your home loan. Choose your vibe. Natural bronze, Arctic white, or foggy gray, coming soon. Whichever you pick, your backyard's about to go from meh to magnificent. We've got 3 standard fence height configurations, 4 feet, 6 feet, and 8 feet. For a 4-foot fence, you'll need 1 ecStarter and 7 ecPanels. For a 6-foot fence, 1 ecStarter and 11 ecPanels. For an 8-foot fence, 1 ecStarter and 15 ecPanels. Need to adjust the height? Just add or remove an ecPanel. Each one adds or subtracts 6 inches. Easy math, easy life. Pro tip: check your local building codes to determine the maximum height and spacing between posts, which is typically between 4 to 6 feet on center. All right, let's get to work. In this example, we're installing 2 12-foot sections and 1 6-foot corner. Posts spaced 6 feet on center, because this setup's fully approved. Still, always double-check your local codes. You know how rules are. Begin by measuring the area where you want to install the fence and mark where the posts will go. Use a manual post hole digger to dig the holes, ensuring they meet the required depth and diameter necessary. Next, place the posts into the holes and pour the concrete, ensuring each post is level before the concrete sets. Remember, a level post equals a fence that won't trigger your OCD twitch. Once the concrete cures, add the ecEnd cover to your end posts using 3 No. 10 by 3/4 inch self-drilling screws. Result: a clean, finished edge that says, "Yeah, I know what I'm doing." Next, we install the ecStarter. Measure your width and cut if needed using a circular saw with a steel blade. Pro tip: start by securing one end of the ecStarter to the first post using No. 10 self-drilling screws. Then use a level before securing the other end. Once that's straight, every ecPanel after will naturally line up, like they actually like each other. With your ecStarter perfectly in place, it's time for the main event, installing the ecPanels one by one. If you're a homeowner, you'll appreciate how simple the process feels. If you're a contractor, you'll appreciate how fast and consistent every panel locks in. No rework, no drama. Need to adjust the width? Cut to fit and secure each panel to the posts using No. 10 self-drilling screws. Every piece locks into alignment like it's been waiting for this moment, delivering that clean, pro-grade finish ecFence is known for. Strong, sleek, and satisfying. First time or 50th fence? Doesn't matter. You're crossing the finish line with champion energy. Time to cover your tracks, literally. The ecSeam cover hides the seam between 2 panel sections and comes pre-drilled with 5 holes for No. 10 by 1.5 inch self-drilling screws. 0 visible seams, 0 stress. Pure, sleek perfection. Got a corner? We've got a cover. The ecCorner cover keeps those exterior angles clean and tight. Secure it with 3 screws and admire your flawless alignment. Place those post caps on each post. They'll protect against rain, sun, and bad vibes. Now sit back, admire your masterpiece, and maybe brag a little. You've officially installed an ecFence. Strong, stunning, affordable. Pick all 3 because you finally can. ecFence Systems. Fencing the easy way.